Alright, so here we go. We've got 4 quick setups for the week. Okay, first one is being my favorite pair. It's one of the most trickiest pairs, but it's also my top winner from last year. When I've looked at all my trades from across there, this is my number one pair for the whole year. As you can see, it's GP CAD. Okay, now GP CAD has been doing a bit of a pullback and going, against the obvious trend the last day. Okay, and as you can see here, if we just zoom out just a little bit, we are coming up to a bit of an area of interest. If we did extend these lines out, these zones that I marked out here, you can see these zones are well respected. Now we are coming back down into a zone that it just has recently broken. So if we scroll back here, we've broken through this daily range here. So broken through that part here, we've gone back up, retested this zone up here, and now we're retraced all day yesterday back to the zone that we've recently broken out of last week. Okay, now if we do manage to have a nice bullish close today, I will be possibly looking for long entries there, taking it back up to the range play, and depending on see how it goes. But if it does close up and above, then we could possibly go higher up around 7,500s as well. So GP CAD, keep that on your watch list. Next pair, just doing this nice and fast for you today, guys. Look, I haven't marked this one up, but one to be well aware of is NZUSD CAD. NZUSD. Alright, you can see we've come to a zone here. I'll quickly just mark it out for you so you can understand what is we are looking at. So if you see the zone up in here, we've got all these daily touches. So 1, 2, 3. Now we've broken through just recently. The US dollar has been strengthening lately, which is good to see. It was on the downer for a while there, but it's also affected New Zealand dollar strength. Okay, so what we will be looking at is if we do get a complete break of the zone here, and a possible break and then a retest up, then we'll be looking for shorts in around this area. Okay, so 69 to 300 area. Okay, so keep that in mind. NZUSD, we could have a bullish close, so anything is possible when it comes to trading. Always keep that fluidity option available. So if you trade goes the opposite direction, if the setup goes the opposite direction, always make sure that you've got the option to trade in the opposite move. Okay, if it is within your trading rules. Next one, we do have EA, Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD, if we zoom back out to the daily, actually we'll go to the weekly here, just so you can see the zones that I have marked out. So we are coming up to a weekly area of key structure, and this has acted as support in the past. Recently it was a little bit of resistance, and it fell again. Now EA has been making a bit of a bullish move the last few weeks. I do believe it's going to continue with the bullish move up to this area up here. Okay. However, we are coming up to the zone, so you've got to be very mindful of that. And you can see yesterday we had some rejections showing. Okay, on the daily we had a nice rejection there yesterday. Okay, with the old shooting star. If you go down to the 4-hour, you'll see there was multiple rejections there as well. Now if you and what I might be looking at for now, I might take a short-term trade just down to an area where we can see possible strength, so possibly up to this level here, and then I'll play it for another run higher. But yes, keep your eye on that one as well. We do have some really good signs of bearish rejections here. It all really depends. If we can keep rejecting the zone here, do look for possible shorts, just for a short-term play. But I do believe the overall trend is going to be continuing up to the upside, even after that move down. So that's EA. And EN is very much the same. We did have a bit of a range play going on. So as you can see, we've been rejecting this range here, bit of resistance. We've also been rejecting it lately, with a bit of support acting down there, and also just a little bit lower down here as well. Now, EN, I'm seeing on a longer term side of things. If you look at the weekly, we have been going in an uptrend, so we're getting higher lows, higher lows, high highs, high highs. So I do believe we are about to break the zone here and also push a little bit higher up into this zone here, so 1.745. Do keep that on the charts. It's exactly the same like the NZ and EA, your NZ and AUD pairs correlate really well with most other pairs. So like I said, we're expecting a short play to the bearish side of AUD. You can expect that with NZD as well. And yeah, all you need to do is have lower time frame confirmations. So if we see another rejection off the zone here, we have had some already recently, so you can almost call that a double top for short-term play. If we go up here and we start rejecting again and getting more bearish signals, we can possibly look to go back down to the range play. But overall, I do see this pair going up as the days and weeks progress. Okay, hope that was a good one for you. It's nice and fast. I've been off the charts a little bit lately, just been moving and lots of good things going on in my life, but I have been trading in the background, but just making the videos, and it's been a little bit hard and I've been time pressed, but I do look forward to sharing more content with you guys lately. I know I said that last time, but I'll be back and we'll be doing this way more often, okay? So thank you for staying tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to press the notifications bell so you don't miss any of these setups, and we'll see you very soon. Ciao.